Today I'm going to teach you how to work a Russian bind off, which is sometimes called a Russian lace bind off. To begin, you're just going to knit 2 normally. So knit 1, knit 2, and now we're essentially going to work a knit 2 together through the back loop. We're going to take our left needle and put it into the front of both these stitches. So from left to right, go into the front of these stitches like this. So the stitches remain on both needles. Looks like this from all angles. And now you're just going to yarn over the right needle from front to back like normal. And you're going to pull that yarn over through both those stitches on your right hand needle. So just like you would if you were knitting 1 stitch or knitting 2 together. And now you slide those both off of your left hand needle and you have 1 stitch remaining. And now the repeat begins. So knit 1. And now work the knit 2 together through the back loop with these 2 stitches. So go into the fronts of both of these stitches with that left hand needle, yarn over from front to back and pull that through. Slide those 2 off and repeat. So knit 1. You can also go one at a time if that makes you feel a little bit easier. Go into the front of the first one, then go into the front of the next one, like this. Yarn over, pull through, slide off, and that's it. You just do that until you have only 1 stitch remaining. And once you get down to the last stitch, you just knit it as normal. Go into the front of both of them with your left hand needle and knit them together. And there you have it. That's how you work the Russian bind off or the Russian lace bind off. It definitely flares out on stockinette a little bit and likes to roll, but it works really, really well with garter. But if you want a really stretchy bind off, this is definitely a good one for you. So there you go. That is how you work the Russian bind off or the Russian lace bind off. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing.